Welcome to our channel. Now you're probably looking for something to help promote some hair growth, help prevent some hair loss. This is exactly what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about Amla hair oil and Amla powder. Now both are used great for the hair, but there is slight difference between the two. The hair oil is already mixed for you to apply right away, versus where the hair powder, you can use it in so many ways. You can use it as a mask. You can also make your own Amla hair oil and use that as a home remedy. Now there are many reasons our earth has provided natural ingredients and plants such as the Amla fruit. A lot of people use this for hair mask, and you can also make your hair oil as I mentioned before. The first thing, if you like to use the Amla hair oil, is you need to know what ingredients are in the oil. A lot of the oil out there has too many ingredients in the Amla hair oil. It's already, we're using the extract of the Amla and adding it, such as sesame oil or any other oil that you can use. The less, the more it's better. With regular use of Amla hair oil, this will help prevent hair loss, help boost hair growth, help with flaky scalp. Amla also contains vitamin E, which helps condition your hair, providing you soft and shiny hair. Now you can make your own Amla hair oil, and we will definitely show you how to do that. To use the Amla powder, you will get the most benefits out of it. You would need just the Amla powder and your choice of oil. We chose castor oil to help with the boosting of more benefits. So the combination of Amla oil and castor oil, you can use such as coconut oil, sesame seed oil, or any other oil you prefer to. Now you would need a double boiler. You probably have seen people actually doing it right on the stove. I would not recommend that. I would recommend that direct heat should not be used on this. So let's go and mix the oil together and see how it comes. We're going to take water and we are going to let it boil and wait until it boils before we start our mixture. So our water is ready. We're going to put this pot right on top. We're going to add our castor oil in here first. And then you would add the Amla powder in here and stir. So right there you can see the color consistency, how dark it is, and keep on stirring, versus the Amla oil. You see how lighter version it is. So doing this is always the best method, because you do know you're getting the most out of the Amla powder for your hair. And if you feel if it's a little thick, you can always add more oil to it. You can make this into bigger batches. You can make them into smaller batches. I know some people like to make it fresh with the powder and use it then. Or you can also mix into bigger batches and keep it in a glass jar bottle to use every day. Alright, so this is done. We're going to be leaving this out for 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to strain this. So after 10-15 minutes, we are going to strain to get out the oil in here. So you can see all that coming out. So you want to keep on straining. Now whatever is left in the strain, I would keep this aside in a separate small bowl, and you can redo the process and strain it more. So you can see here that the one we made is thicker than the Amla hair oil. So this would be the most beneficial to use because you are getting the most benefits out of using the Amla powder. So now, but you can also use both if you like. So if you want to use the powder along with the oil, you can actually mix both together because this has sesame seed. So it will be a booster, it'll be an extra booster. You can also add in, since we added in castor oil, so you can add in the Amla oil with the castor oil. So any recipe that you would want to do, you can absolutely do that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe for more, and we will definitely post our more DIY videos.